In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert a table from Google Sheets into Google Docs and keep it updated if your data changes. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, select the table and copy it using Control-C or right-click Copy. Then, open your Google Docs document and click where you want the table. Paste it using Control-V or right-click Paste. You'll see two options, Link to Spreadsheet or Paste Unlinked. Choosing Link to Spreadsheet keeps your table connected to the original sheet so that it can be updated. Now, if a value in your sheet changes, say the quantity of bananas changes from 5 to 7, an Update button will appear in Docs. Click it and your table will reflect the new value. If you add a new row or column in your sheet, like adding pineapple as a new item, the new row won't automatically appear in Docs. To include it, click the table, go to Link Options, Change Range, expand the range to include the new row or column, and click Update. The table will now include the additional data. Keep in mind, you cannot edit the linked table directly in Google Docs. Any changes must be made in the original spreadsheet. If you choose Paste Unlinked, the table is static and won't update with changes in the sheet. And that's it. Your Google Sheets table is now in Google Docs, fully linked and ready to update whenever your original data changes. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick guides.